Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Parital Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of Canadian Dental Care Plan, also called CDCP. I will explain everything you need to know about Canadian Dental Care Plan in simple words. This new plan helps Canadians with low income get dental care without high costs. If you or your family don't have dental insurance and you have been delaying dentist visits because of the cost, this video is for you. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will make a separate video on how to apply for this program and how to check status of your application coming this week. But for now, let's understand about this program in detail and much more. What is the Canadian Dental Care Plan? Let's first understand the big picture. The Canadian Dental Care Plan, CDCP, is a new program from the Government of Canada. It started because many people, especially low and middle income families, can afford regular dental care, and we all know dental care in Canada is very expensive if you don't have insurance. A simple checkup can cost $100 to $300, a filling around $200 or more, a root canal over $1,000. So the government launched this plan to help people get basic dental services for free or at a low cost. It's being delivered with the help from the insurance company called Sun Life. They are working with the government to manage the services and the payments. Who can apply? Eligibility explained. Let's now talk about who can get this dental help. You must meet 5 main conditions. Let's break them down. First, you must not have any private dental insurance. This means you don't have dental coverage from your job, your spouse job, or any private company. If you only get dental care from the government like provincial or territorial coverage, that's okay, you can still apply. Second, you must be a Canadian resident for tax purposes. This means you live in Canada and file your taxes here. Third, you must have filed your income tax return. It's important. Your eligibility is based on your household income from the last year. So if you did not file taxes, you won't qualify. Fourth, your household income must be below $90,000. If your income is below $70,000, you will get full coverage. If your income is between $70,000 to $79,999, you will pay 40% of the cost. If your income is between $80,000 to $89,999, you will pay 60% of the cost. Above $90,000, you are not eligible for this plan. Fifth, you must be right age for your group. The plan is being rolled out in stages. Seniors 65 plus started in May 2024. Children under 18 and adults with a valid disability tax credit started in June 2024. Everyone else ages 18 to 64 can apply starting 2025. So make sure to check your age group and apply at the right time. How to apply for the Canadian Dental Care Plan? Let's move to the application process. It's actually very simple. There are 2 main ways to apply. Option 1, online. Go to the official government website canada.ca/dental. You will need to create or log into your My Service Canada account. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Option 2, by phone. Call on 1-833-537-4342. A representative will help you with the process. You will need your SIN number, your date of birth, your current home address, your income information from your last tax return. Once your application is approved, you will receive a letter of confirmation. After that, Sun Life will send you a welcome package with your coverage start date, your membership card, and a booklet explaining the benefits. Important tip: do not book a dentist appointment until you get your confirmation from Sun Life and your start date. When can you visit a dentist? This is a common question. You cannot go to the dentist right after you apply. You need to wait until you get your official coverage start date from Sun Life. Each person's start date is different depending on when they applied, their eligibility, and their age group. You will get your exact date in your welcome letter from Sun Life. Once that date arrives, you can go to the dental services with the participating dental provider. What services are covered? Now let's talk about the most important thing, what dental services you can get through the CDCP. The plan covers many essential services such as preventive care that includes routine dental exams, cleanings that include scaling and polishing, fluoride treatments, sealants to protect teeth from decay, diagnostic services like x-rays, oral exams, assessments, restorative treatments like fillings, crowns, repairing broken teeth, oral surgery like tooth extractions, surgical procedures, root canal treatments, dentures, partial or complete dentures, some dentures repairs or relines. Some services may need pre-approval, especially expensive or special treatments like crowns, bridges, dentures, root canal therapy on molars. So always check with the Sun Life and your dentist before getting treatment. What is not covered? Some treatments are not covered, especially cosmetic ones. These include teeth whitening, veneers, braces or orthodontic treatments at this stage, dental implants except in rare cases. So this plan focuses on important oral health, not cosmetic or elective treatments. How much will you pay? It depends on your household income. This co-payment is paid directly to the dentist, so ask your dentist upfront how much you will need to pay before starting treatment. For dental professionals, if you are a dentist, hygienist, or oral health provider, you need to register with Sun Life to offer services under this plan. You will receive payment directly from Sun Life, not the patient. You also must follow the government's fees guide for all services. Patients should always ask, do you accept the Canadian Dental Care Plan before booking an appointment? What if you have a provincial dental coverage? Some people already receive dental coverage through provincial programs like Ontario Works, Alberta Dental Assistance, BC Healthy Kids. You can still apply for CDCP, but remember, CDCP will be the secondary payer. That means the province will pay first and the CDCP will cover what's left. Final reminders and tips. Always file your taxes on time. That's how your income eligibility is checked. Apply early once your group is eligible. Wait for your start time before going to the dentist. Make sure your provider is registered with CDCP. Keep your Sun Life documents safe. Call 1-833-537-4342 if you need help with your application. How to check the status of your CDCP application? So after you apply for Canadian Dental Care Plan, you might wonder, how do I know if my application was approved? Let me explain how you can easily check your application status. These are the two main ways to check. Option 1. Online using My Service Canada account. Go to the official website www.canada.ca, search for My Service Canada account, log in using your GC key or bank login. You might have used this when applying for EI or CPP. Once logged in, look for the section that says Dental Care Plan. There you can check if your application was received, see if it's still being processed, find out if it is approved, see your coverage start date, download documents like your approval letter or membership ID. Tip: if you don't have a Service Canada account yet, create one. It's free and useful for many government services. Option 2. By phone, call for help. If you are not comfortable with online systems or if you do not have internet, you can also call the Dental Care Program helpline 1-833-537-4342. The phone line is open Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. your local time. Have your SIN number and date of birth ready. Ask the agent, can you check the status of my Canadian Dental Care Plan application? They will tell you if your application is complete, if more documents are needed, if it's approved, when your coverage starts. How long does it take to get a response? After you apply, it usually takes a few weeks for your application to be processed. Once approved, you will get a letter or email from Sun Life with your coverage start date, your benefit card, a list of covered services. Important, don't visit the dentist until you have your approval and a start date from Sun Life. So that's a full breakdown of the Canadian Dental Care Plan. It's a great opportunity for people who could not afford dental visits before, whether it is for you, your parents, or your kids. This program can help you maintain your dental health without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.